Performance Tool has been developing and manufacturing automotive tools and accessories for mechanics and hobbyists for over 50 years. Cars and trucks have changed a lot in those decades, but our commitment to providing quality tools that get the job done will never change. You can find Performance Tools' innovative design in over 4,000 products, including our extensive array of hand tools, from ratchets to sockets to screwdrivers, wrenches, cutters, and everything in between. Everything is built with high-quality materials and delivered with our lifetime warranty. Shop and garage equipment, creepers, engine hoists, and storage solutions for your home and garage. A wide array of essential lubrication equipment like grease guns and fittings to keep your equipment running smoothly. Specialty tools that make vehicle-specific jobs simple and pain-free, including one-of-a-kind offerings that can't be found anywhere else. Increase your productivity with power tools like portable drills, pneumatic wrenches, and much more. Whether you're changing your oil or running a shop, our passion for performance is built into every tool we make. Quality, innovation, and satisfaction. That's Performance Tool.